Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and styled this hair. This hair is from Beauty Forever, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. But I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just hop right into this. Hey y'all, so I'm starting off on a simple wig cap, and then I'm just putting some makeup over it to make it look like scalp. But before we hop into any of this, I just want to give you guys the details on this wig. So this is from Beauty Forever hair. This is their 150 density 13x4 lace highlight blonde curly wig in 24 inches, and this hair is just was so easy to do. I didn't have to do much to it. I lightly plucked it, bleached the knots like normal, but that's literally all I had to do to it, y'all. It's so gorgeous, and y'all will see that in a few seconds. But here I'm just putting like some concealer that's kind of the same color of my skin. I just put that all over the cap. If you guys did not know how to lay a cap, I do have a video on that, and I will link it in the top right corner. And then I'm just going in and also putting that same color on the lace. Woo, girl! Do y'all see that? Wait. It's giving. Wait. Who do I think I am? Okay, so as you guys can see, I was very much wowed by this wig my first time putting it on. But now I'm just about to go in with some Ghost Bond and just do about 2 layers of this around the scalp or hairline of this wig cap. And yeah, I'm just spraying it out, making sure that it's evenly spreaded. You don't want it to be caked up underneath your wig, so just make sure whatever you're using, as you can see, I use anything I could find at the time. But whatever you're using, just make sure that you're spreading it out evenly. Okay, so now I'm just taking this wig and just putting that over this glue, and then I'm just going to position it exactly where I want it to sit on my head. Y'all make sure that you are positioning your wigs right, because that will make or break your unit or your install. Anyway, so now I'm just about to take a comb and just push that into my skin, making sure that it's as close to my skin as it's going to get. And then what I like to do to kind of melt the lace is spray some Got To Be around the hairline, just so that it gets rid of that white cast that sometimes be there, or that gray cast that sometimes be there. And then I'm just gonna tie that down with the elastic band, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. Okay, so now I'm taking off this elastic band, and it was not completely dry, so it ended up sticking to the glue, which caused this whole thing that just doesn't look good. So then I went back in with some Got To Be, and I just sprayed that all over the hairline. I decided to not tie it down this time because the elastic band had already had a lot of product on it, and I think that's what also caused that white thing to come up. So now I'm just going in with a comb and just combing out the hairline to make sure that the Got To Be does not make the hair super stiff when it dries. And now I'm just going to go in and fix my part. Okay, so now I'm going in with some edge booster, and I'm just going to put this all over that part. And then I'm going to go in with a hot comb, and this is how I'm going to lay the top of this hair down and just make sure that it's super duper flat, because you already know that is the most important part of a wig, other than the hairline, of course. But you just need to make sure that your wig is super duper flat so that it looks natural. Okay, so now you guys can just see me going in and fixing the part with some makeup. I'm using a very light concealer color for the part, and then I'm going in with the brown color that matches the hair to make it look more defined. My part plucking technique does not really work on colored hair because it's harder to see the part, so I just try to go in with makeup, and I feel that that makes the part look more defined than plucking it. I'm just pulling the hair back to begin cutting the lace. I'm not doing this in any special fashion. I'm just cutting it with some shears and just going in a straight line all around the hairline. now I'm about to just start laying the baby hairs. I only did 2 little side pieces for this look, and I'm just pulling the hair out, and then I'm gonna take those same shears that I used to cut the lace to just feather them, and then I'm gonna lay them down with some Got To Be glued, and then that's gonna be all that I do for this hair. I didn't really do too much with the baby hairs just because the hair gave what it was supposed to give, and I didn't really too much have to add too much to it. So yeah, I'm just going in, doing a little swoopy swoop. You already know the deal. Okay, so y'all, this is what it looks like. It looks so freaking cute, but I think I want to add some slight layers in it. I'm not gonna lie, because I mean, it's cute right now, but I just feel like it can just get a little more, you know what I mean? It ain't giving much, but it's giving, but it could be giving more, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna take it and take my scissors and just go down like this. I want the hair to be round and not like long, if that makes sense. Boom, that already looks better. So now what I'm about to do is do some makeup and get dressed. We're gonna do my makeup and we're gonna get dressed and all of that good stuff, but I gotta go get me a little snack. I'm hungry and I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back. Okay, so y'all, I'm all dressed and everything, and this hair looks so freaking gorgeous on me. Like, hold on, let me turn off the little fan. This hair looks so freaking gorgeous on me. Like, I love it so much. The quality of the hair is amazing. I did not have to do much to it. I can tell it's gonna be super low maintenance, and it just feels really soft and it's very cute. So yeah, this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can relate to it. That's on what? That's on period. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.